This is an example of a bandage you may have after surgery. For after an arthroscopic surgery, you'll be able to take the bandage off the next day after the surgery and shower. After an open shoulder surgery, such as a total shoulder replacement, you can take it off 2 days after the surgery and shower. In either case, once you get to that point, there'll be absorbable sutures under the skin in most cases, as well as glue over the incision that essentially makes it waterproof so that you can shower. So what you want to do is, the day after or 2 days after for the open shoulder surgery, you're simply going to take the dressing off like this, all the way, and peel it back until it comes all the way off. And this is an example where you may have an arthroscopic scenario where underneath you're going to find a non-adhesive bandage, and you're going to simply take these off as well and staying away from the actual incision sites. And then you can shower over this area, pat it dry, and afterward you can just simply put band-aids over each of those incisions. If it's an open shoulder surgery, you'll be supplied with new dressings that you can apply after the shower. In most cases, a sling that you have after a shoulder surgery can be removed several times a day, such as for meals and for shower times and when you do your exercises. And then after you do those, of course, you're going to have to put the sling on. Many people ask how you put the sling back on by themselves, and we're just going to show you an example of how to do that. The best thing is if you set the sling up at about the level of your shoulder, you can then simply unclip these little clips right here. And then you can take your arm and your elbow and set it right in, protecting yourself. You can see here. And then I'm not going to help here, and you can see that our model here can put the clips right back on. And then there's a band, in most cases, that goes around the waist. And you can simply reach back around and pull that. And then once you get here, you can use the arm on the, in this case, the left side to help you if you need to. Now, these slings oftentimes come with an option. This particular sling, there's a lot of different types of slings that you'll get to look at, but this particular sling comes with an option of bringing a strap across your shoulder, and again, you just simply reach back and bring that around. So there you have it. Once you have the dressing off, it'll be okay to shower, and what you'll want to do is, in order to reach under your armpit, you're just going to lean over to the side and create a space between your arm and your side, so that you can then take your opposite arm and wash under your armpit. In this way, you can do it without putting any stress on the shoulder repair that we've done for you. Afterward, you'll just put a new dressing on. Again, a band-aid in the case of the arthroscopic case, or if it's an open shoulder surgery such as a total shoulder replacement, you'll just put a new dressing over the single incision that you have.